on this episode of the Bacon Bandits adventure.
Bacon Bandits are riding free, bringing joy to you and me, in the countryside where dreams go wide. Bacon Bandits.
Would you rather have rain all day, or would you rather have headwind all day? How about both? You.
Meet the Bacon Bandits. A group of friends have been hitting the water together for over 14 years. While they might not be the most technical paddlers when it comes to canoe tripping, these guys are the absolute best. Adventure, teamwork, and unforgettable moments, that's what they're all about. In this series, the Bacon Bandits tackle it all from sunny skies to torrential downpours. They'll paddle tailwinds, but let's be real, mostly headwinds. They'll eat gourmet camp meals followed by a side of terrible mosquitos, from heart-pounding rapids to back-breaking portages. Brace yourselves, adventure awaits.
Okay, so the game plan for today is we've got a series of rapids we gotta hit, class 2 and 3. Well, we gotta hit these rapids before the rains come, but the advantage is if we fall in the water, well, it's gonna rain anyways, so we'll already be wet. Right now, we're just cooking up a mighty breakfast in order to gain enough calories to shoot all these rapids.
Welcome back to another Bacon Bandits adventure. It's now day 2, and the boys are getting ready for some hard paddling and more of this epic river system.
Perfection.
What do we got here?
Okay, so we're right here at C9 right now. We got a bunch of rapids and swifts and stuff, and we're going to try to hit C12 tonight, which is a nice established M&R site on the river. I think it'll be nice.
Let's see, boys.
You're first up.
No. Yeah, Chef Boyardee first. You know.
All right, day 2. It's go time.
As the Bacon Bandits paddled down the serene river, little did they know that their love for crispy, sizzling bacon was about to lead to some unexpected consequences.
Oh my gosh!
You see, when you eat that much bacon, something's bound to bubble up, and it's not just excitement for the next rapids.
Oh my god! Oh, here we go. This is our first set.
Do you see a tongue?
Yeah, stick left. Yeah, we're good.
It's good. Oh, there's a rock there!
All right, crop dusted braid.
Oh yeah, that was bad. He's got it on camera so you can see my face just change.
Set out on the river with the sun in my eyes. Thought it'd be easy, but I'm in for a surprise. Every stroke I take, I feel her push back hard. Mother Nature laughing, it's a game of cards. Every time I try to glide, she throws me in a fight. Paddling against the winds, I'm losing sight tonight.
Dude, we might have to pull over.
We just did some beautiful river, and then we came out into a lake and we're facing some gnarly headwinds. So just taking a breather. That's hard as we go, and we were going after.
Yeah. We were going backwards at one point.
Yeah, it's like a metaphor about life.
Whose life?
My life. Or all our lives, right?
Yeah, so waiting for the wind to die down. It's probably not going to. Bit of rain coming on as well. Turning out to be an interesting day. We probably, with this headwind, have another 40 minutes of hard paddling, and then hopefully we'll be in the river system again and flowing with the current.
Would you rather have rain all day, or would you rather have headwind all day? How about both? You.
Every time I try to glide, she throws me in a fight. Paddling against the winds, I'm losing sight tonight. Well, we hit the water, thought the day was our day. With bacon on the grill, we put our cares away. But the sky started darkening, hear that thunder roll. Mother Nature's chuckling, she's got us in her hole. Said here's some rain, boys, the headwind fight. Just when we're ready for a perfect sunny ride.
You guys take on a lot of water?
Are you going back up to do it again?
You got the Bailey bucket?
I am underwater.
If you boys think you're wet now, just wait a little bit longer.
Just pull over on this little sandbar here. Gonna get some snacks. Some of us are putting on rain gear. Some of us are not. We're about halfway through the day. And then we're gonna give her. You get a bag, you get a bag, and you get a bag. I get a bag. How are your crackers?
Crackers, Rice Krispie squares. We like them in grade 3.
Come on in my mouth. Wow.
That was sick.
I got one.
Oh. No!
Hey, guys, grab the paddle.
We've come to our first portage for the day, but it looks like we might be able to paddle it. We're gonna scope the end to see if there's any major obstacles or obstructions. Unfortunately, probably hard to tell from the camera, but it looks too shallow. We're just gonna portage it is, unfortunately. Try nut tapping me? You guys. Everything, all you got is the canoe. Golly gee, that's a Jackson boat Diggle if I've ever seen one. All right, just finished our first portage of the day. About halfway through all of the paddling, and off we go. Onward.
Paddle strikes the waves. Headwinds whisper not today. Still we push upstream. That was a haiku about the inevitability of paddling against headwinds.
It's been a long day of battling headwinds, lots of rain, but we're on the final lake of our destination. Hopefully there's a campsite up ahead here.
I mean, we might be able to fit it there. It's gonna kind of go long down right here.
It's nice that it's sheltered here.
That's the only.
It's very windy out.
Like we might be able to fit this in there.
It's not bad.
It's not terrible.
Lots of headwind, rain, everyone's wet. We're stopping right now to assess some things. Maybe our campsite for the night where we're at right now, but we're gonna find out. Stay tuned. All right, we got a lot of birch bark. I found some standing deadwood. I'm gonna chop it down, and then we got a hatchet, so we'll get some nice logs out of this.
blue one or that one?
After being soaked all day, we took camp here, put some tarps up, blocked the wind, lit a fire, cooked burgers twice.
4 hours apart, as we were demanded to.
Yeah, and yeah, just enjoy the night, go to bed and wake up and hit another storm.
This thing just like golfs in my head. Dinner tonight, we're doing some bacon cheeseburgers, lettuce, tomato, onion.
That's a Steel River burger, boys.
Yeah, I got no complaints. Today was the first day doing real rapids on the trip. They went as smooth as they could. I had a ton of fun in being the rudder. Tomorrow's Nelson's turn. Let's see if he can pull off a smooth operation and just keep trucking.
Full send to the right.
Morning. Good morning. How are you?
Good. Day 3.
Day 3. Let's get it.
Sleep well?
Yes, sort of.
Yeah, I had a good sleep. Other than everyone stepping on my head as they got out of the tent last night.
It's the price you pay for being the wife.
Stewie, you snored all last night.
You were snoring.
It's now day 3, and after a night of heavy rain, relentless snoring, and stumbling over Tom's head in the dark, the guys are trying to salvage their soaked clothes left out overnight to face the elements.
This is craft work right here.
Is that your dry shirt?
All right, day 3 here. We're just all getting up here, starting to cook breakfast, getting our coals going. Just absolutely poured last night, so we're all kind of recovering from that. Had our stuff out, got wet again. But we're about to head up about 25K to our next spot, to Rainbow Falls. And we're gonna be having maybe a little bath there, have some fun, and yeah, go down some rapids.
We're doing hash browns, bacon, eggs, some cheese and tomatoes. Keep it simple today. Sun's out. Let's get on the water.
We stink. Yeah, we need to swing 'em. Just bacon grease. Got a swirling grill. Gonna dive in deep. Watch it all away. So fresh, so sweet. For the rest of the day.
Alright, we've been fooled. It's nice out. Boy needed a shower, so here we are.
We just broke camp, had some breakfast, took a shower, drank some coffees, and we're off to start just in time for the headwind, so let's go. We're just scoping some rapids right now, first set of the day. Looks like a good elevation change, nice drop there. And then I see some obstructions as well, a tree or something, definitely some rocks.
That's dock just on the left here by the cedar.
So we're gonna pull over and scope it.
It's pretty short.
I'm gonna go from center and then hook right, obviously.
It's probably gonna be rocky.
Yeah, It looks shallow.
Like it kind of looks like there's a little bit of a tongue on the right, but it'd be a really sharp turn to get. Yeah, so I'd rather kind of take it straight on in case you get.
Yeah, I don't think you'd be able to make that corner.
Yeah.
Should we send it? Kind of center and then hook right. Yeah, that's the shoreline though. You see any rocks anywhere? Okay. Same.
Okay, boys, let's do it.
Great. Great. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, go straight.
Thanks for joining us on the Bacon Bandits Year 14 adventure. If you want to see what happens next, make sure to catch the next episode. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss a thing.